So good day, Miss. I'm Regine, Concha, and this is my video presentation about assignment in inflation. So first is what is inflation and explain each type of inflation and its causes, why it happened. So inflation is the sustained increase in the average price levels of goods and services, leading to reduced purchasing power and measurable via indices like CPI. So demand pull inflation is occurs when aggregate demand outpaces supply too many dollar chasing too few goods. Drivers includes consumer boom, government overspending, sports surges, or expansion money supply. So cost push inflation, so triggered by rising input cost, raw materials, in energy, wages that are passed to consumers. So built-in inflation, so wage rise or spiral. So expectation become inter interched. Higher wages prompt higher prices, which prompt higher wages perpetuating inflation. So stagflation is high inflation paired with stagnating great growth and unemployment difficult to manage because standard monetary policy may worsen unemployment. So hyperinflation, so extremely rapid inflation, often over 50% monthly, leading to monetary collapse. So second question is, at what particular year and whose administration in Philippine history wherein inflation is at its lowest and highest rate? What rate is that? What might be the cause of it? So Philippines lowest and highest inflation rate. So based on historical CPI data 1960 to 2004, so highest 50.34% in 1984 under Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Political and economic global oil crisis impact, heavy deficit, and stabilization failure. So lowest is 0.67% in 2015 during the administration of President Benigno Noynoy Aquino III. So attribute to stable prices, lower oil costs, and conservation monetary policy. So the third question is, in relation to hyperinflation, so summarize what happened in Zimbabwe's company from early 2007 onwards. So early 2007 to 2008. So currency collapse began, black market exchange rates soared from 30,000 Z dollar in April 2007 to millions by year end. So 2008, governments froze price, illegal to raise prices, so arrested executives, reserves bank issued enormous denominations, so 10 million, 100 million to 50 million ZWD bearer, ultimately 100 trillion notes. So January to April 2009, law adjusted to permit US dollar, so euro, rand, etc. So Zimbabwe dollar redenominated 3 times, so but abandoned in April 2009 due to loss of trust. So post 2009, dollarization used until new RTGS, so dollar launch in 2009. GDP rebounded between 2009 to 2012, but inflation resurged later, 42% in 2018, 175% in June 2000.